Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we're reviewing the 2025 Toyota Tundra pickup, a rugged and versatile truck built for performance, utility, and comfort. Whether you're towing heavy loads, exploring off-road trails, or cruising on the highway, the Tundra is designed to exceed expectations. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Cars for more amazing reviews. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is offered with two powerful engine options. The base model comes with a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine delivering 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those craving extra power, the hybrid iForce Max combines the V6 engine with an electric motor, producing a whopping 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid also improves fuel efficiency, making it a practical yet high-performance option. When it comes to towing, the Tundra impresses with a 12,000-pound towing capacity and a 1,940-pound payload capacity. Advanced towing features such as a trailer backup guide with straight path assist make handling heavy loads a breeze. Whether you're hauling equipment, a boat, or a trailer, the Tundra is up to the challenge. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the TRD Pro trim, which features a lifted suspension, Fox shocks, and skid plates for enhanced durability. The multi-terrain select system and crawl control make it easy to navigate tough terrain, whether you're tackling mud, sand, or rocks. Toyota's engineering ensures that the Tundra can conquer any off-road adventure with ease. In terms of design, the Tundra exudes toughness with its bold grille, LED headlights, and a muscular stance. Functional touches like active grille shutters and aerodynamic panels improve efficiency, while the durable composite truck bed offers built-in tie-downs, a 120-volt outlet, and an available power tailgate. Multiple bed length options, ranging from 5.5 feet to 8.1 feet, let you customize the truck for your needs. The interior is spacious, practical, and luxurious, depending on the trim. The front seats are supportive and available with heating and ventilation, while higher trims offer leather upholstery. Crew cab models provide ample legroom for rear passengers, making long trips comfortable for everyone. Smart storage solutions throughout the cabin keep your gear organized and accessible. Tech lovers will enjoy the 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The system includes cloud-based navigation and a voice assistant for effortless control. The JBL Premium sound system delivers top-notch audio, while other features like a wireless charging pad and a digital rearview mirror add to the modern experience. Safety is paramount in the Tundra, with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite as standard. It includes pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. Optional features like blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera system provide added peace of mind. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Tundra starts at around $40,000 for the base SR trim, with higher trims like the TRD Pro and 1794 edition reaching up to $65,000. The hybrid powertrain adds a bit to the price but is a worthwhile upgrade for those seeking better performance and fuel economy. To sum up, the 2025 Toyota Tundra is a powerful and versatile truck that excels in towing, off-roading, and daily driving. With its advanced features, robust performance, and Toyota's legendary reliability, it's a top choice in the pickup truck segment. Thanks for tuning into Crazy Cars. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, happy driving.